When most people start keto, they think there's one perfect plan that guarantees success. But the truth is, there's no single formula that works for everyone. Some people thrive on intermittent fasting, others crash. Some drop weight eating lots of dairy, while others stall completely. Here's the real secret. Keto is not about being perfect. It's about being adaptable. The people who succeed long term aren't the ones who follow rigid rules. They're the ones who experiment, adjust, and keep moving forward no matter what life throws at them. So in today's video, I'm going to share 3 powerful mindset shifts that will help you adapt your plan, stay consistent, and ultimately win at keto. Point number 1, experimentation is essential. Keto isn't a cookie-cutter diet. What works for your friend, neighbor, or favorite influencer might not work for you. Some thrive with intermittent fasting. Others feel better eating smaller meals throughout their day. Some see results with strict tracking, while others succeed with a more relaxed, lazy keto style. The key is to experiment. Try different strategies. Notice how your body responds, and don't be afraid to adjust. Think of it like science. You're running experiments on yourself until you find what works. Point number 2, listen to your body. One of the biggest advantages of keto is how quickly your body gives you feedback. Maybe you notice dairy slows your progress or sugar substitutes upset your digestion. Instead of seeing this as a setback, see it as data. Your body is constantly telling you what's working and what isn't. The trick is to listen, adapt by swapping foods, adjusting your macros, or even shifting towards higher protein if that's what your energy and goals require. The more in tune you are, the easier keto becomes. Point number 3, progress over perfection. Keto isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent and adaptable. If you slip up, it's not failure, it's feedback. If your progress slows, don't quit. Make tweaks, experiment, and keep moving forward. The people who succeed with keto long term aren't the ones who do it perfectly. They're the ones who stay open to adjusting when life changes, schedules shift, or their bodies need evolve. Flexibility equals sustainability. So if you're on keto or thinking about starting, remember this. Keep an open mind. Experiment. Listen to your body and focus on progress, not perfection. The more adaptable you are, the more likely you'll thrive, not just on keto, but in every area of your health. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more keto strategies, and drop a comment below. What's one adjustment you've made that's really worked for you? I'd love to hear your experience. See you in the next video.